Number 1. 1983 Chevrolet C30, price $9,800, equipped with a strong-running 454 cubic inch Goodwrench crate engine paired with a freshly rebuilt TH400 automatic transmission featuring a shift kit. Finished in white with a black interior, the truck combines classic style with heavy-duty performance. It also features a weaned aluminum intake and a Holley projection fuel injection system, which is currently in need of tuning. An O2 kit for self-tuning is included but not yet installed. The truck has been upgraded with several new components, including a new steering gearbox, a new power steering pump, new rear brakes, and a 5-inch one-piece aluminum driveshaft with heavy-duty U-joints. Though it runs strong and is mechanically solid, it still requires a few small items to be fully complete. It comes from Georgia and is in very clean condition overall. Additionally, the truck includes an Edelbrock 600 carburetor and some original parts. There is a crack in the side of the windshield, but that is scheduled to be replaced soon. Number 2. 1997 Chevrolet 3500, price $7,000. It features a powerful 454 big block V8 engine and an automatic transmission, delivering strong performance and smooth shifts. With 208,000 miles on the odometer, the truck still runs and drives great, a testament to its durability and maintenance. Originally from Arizona, the body is in excellent condition with no rust issues, a rare find for a truck of this age. It comes equipped with 6 brand new tires, adding to its road readiness and value. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior is a clean gray. Although the air conditioning is currently not working, the windows function properly, offering ventilation when needed. Fueled by gasoline, this truck is well suited for hauling tasks, with a strong frame and reliable drivetrain. Number 3. 1979 Dodge D150, price $10,000, finished in a bold blue exterior with a sleek black interior. The truck features a custom short bed conversion that was originally a long bed, professionally shortened and done with impressive craftsmanship. Under the hood, it's powered by a built 360 V8 engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission, offering both speed and a fun driving experience. Despite having some rust, it's nothing major and doesn't affect the truck's roadworthiness or appeal. This D150 runs on gasoline and is a true turnkey cruiser, ready to hit the road. Overall, it's a fast and eye-catching classic with a lot of custom work, perfect for anyone looking to enjoy a unique ride with vintage style and modern performance. Number 4. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,200. This truck is a solid and dependable 4x4 pickup, showing just 119,500 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives well, making it a reliable choice for both daily use and light-duty work. Finished in a classic red exterior with a gray interior, the truck presents clean overall with only minor rust visible on the cab corners, common for its age. It features working air conditioning and heat, ensuring comfort in all seasons. Recent maintenance includes brand new rear brakes for added safety and performance. Additional features include a tonneau cover and a bed liner, offering both protection and functionality for the truck bed. Number 5. 1982 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500. This truck features a strong-running 350 V8 engine fitted with a cam, offering a noticeable boost in performance. It's also equipped with a heavy-duty Dana 60 rear end for added durability and strength. Recent mechanical work includes a new fuel pump, fresh fuel and brake lines, upgraded front brakes, and a radiator replacement. The truck also features dual glass pack mufflers for a deeper exhaust tone, LED headlights for better visibility, and a full interior gauge set. Under the hood, a rebuilt quadrajet carburetor and gasket set have been installed, along with a new battery, cables, and a functional choke system. Receipts are available for all the work completed at the shop. Despite the extensive improvements, the truck still needs a few finishing touches. The rear brakes should be inspected, the power steering pump has a minor leak, and the mufflers need proper hangers. Additionally, the ignition key is stuck, and a few bolts and trim pieces need to be installed. Number 6. 1988 GMC 1500, price $8,000. Finished in a crisp white exterior, it features a powerful 5.7L V8 engine mated to a manual transmission, delivering strong performance and a true driver's feel. Originally a rust-free truck from Texas, it still holds a clean title and remains in excellent mechanical condition. Both the motor and transmission run smoothly with no issues whatsoever. An aftermarket exhaust system has been installed, providing a deep, throaty sound that enhances the driving experience. The truck also comes with a fresh set of tires, with less than 100 miles on them. This GMC is ready to be enjoyed immediately, whether as a reliable daily driver, a weekend cruiser, or a clean base for further customization.
Number 7.
1988 Chevrolet Silverado, price $9,500, finished in a unique metallic blue and pearl white paint job. It features a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a 350 V8 engine, which is believed not to be the original motor. The truck runs on gasoline and has a matching blue interior and exterior that give it a bold, cohesive look. The vehicle includes electric opening doors, adding a touch of modern convenience to its classic style. While it has the appearance of a dually with its flared bed and wide tires, this is not an original dually rear end. The interior is in excellent condition, showing clear signs of being well cared for over the years. However, it's worth noting that the speedometer does not display accurate readings.
Number 8.
1972 Ford F250, price $3,500. This truck is a solid and reliable classic pickup with 94,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 390 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers a smooth driving experience. Finished in sleek black with a matching black interior, the truck has a commanding presence on the road. It comes equipped with power steering and power brakes for added comfort and ease of handling. The vehicle also features an air conditioning system, an uncommon and valuable addition for a truck of this era, with just the AC system alone valued around $1,000. Recent updates include a new starter and stylish smoked LED taillights along with side marker lights, adding a modern touch to its vintage appeal. There's also a functional toolbox mounted in the bed for added utility.
Number 9.
1986 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,500. It's powered by the original 350 V8 gasoline engine, which has been upgraded with an R/V cam, larger valve heads, and a new timing chain for improved performance. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and features a red exterior paired with a black interior. Mechanically, it runs and drives great, stops well, and has been reliable over the past 6 years without ever leaving the owner stranded. It's ready to be driven anywhere, and the cruise control still functions perfectly. All gauges are in working order, and the truck rides on newer tires. While it's mechanically sound, the body reflects its life as a true workhorse. There are dents on nearly every panel, making it more of a practical utility vehicle than a showpiece.
Number 10.
1970 International D1100, price $6,500. This truck is a charming and solid classic pickup that's perfect for weekend cruising or collecting. It features its original green exterior paint and matching green interior, both of which highlight the truck's vintage appeal. Under the hood sits a reliable 304 V8 gasoline engine, paired with a classic 3-on-the-tree column-shift manual transmission, making it a joy to drive for enthusiasts who appreciate old-school mechanics. This is a two-wheel drive southern truck, which means it has spent its life away from harsh northern winters, a key reason why it remains extremely solid and rust-free. The body is in impressive condition for its age, still wearing its original paint that adds to its authenticity and character.